Hi all, welcome to the Salesforce Ultimate Guide channel. In this video, we are going to work with our next trigger scenario, question number 27. Write a trigger on account when account active field is updated from yes to no. Then check all the opportunities associated with the account. Update all opportunity stage to close lost if stage not equal to close one. Okay. So what is the meaning of this? Let us go and see it in UI first. Let us say that I have an account. And let us say the active field is yes as of now. And right now there are no opportunities. Let me create the opportunities as well. Okay. Okay. Then I'll create one more opportunity. Okay. And then right now in this account is having active is yes. Okay. And the how about the status of the opportunities? They are not like they are like needs analysis or some other one. Okay. And let us say that this is closed one. This let us say that this is a closed one opportunity. Okay. And how about the other one? Right now this is value proposition. I'm going to make it as close lost. Not a close loss. Let us say that anything is fine. Okay, proposal or price quote. Then when I go to the account and make this active to be no. So if this one is changed, then we have to go to each opportunity and this stage name should get updated to close lost. Okay. Right now this is proposal that should be changed to close lost. And this one is already closed one. This should not get changed to closed lost. Okay, this should remain same. So this is our scenario. Let us go and restart with our trigger rating. Okay. Account trigger 27 on account. I'm going to create it. First, we need to check whether it is a before or after trigger. Since two objects are involved here, we need to write an after trigger. After update, the very first thing we are checking what is the context. So if trigger dot is after and trigger dot is update, then for so we have to iterate through account records. So for each of the account in trigger dot new. Okay, the very first thing what we need to check, write a trigger on account when account active field is updated from yes to no. Okay, so that is our first condition. So we'll start with our if loop. If acc dot, so the field name is active. Okay, so what is the account's active field API name? Let us go and open the account object. Okay, if any on any of the account we have a active field. Okay, so if we go and check it on account, okay, that is a active underscore c is the field API name. Okay, so acc dot active is equal to right now it should be updated to no. So that's why I'm checking if it is no, then also I need to check whether it got changed or not. Okay, so to check that we have to compare active acc dot active current value is not equal to the, we have to check with the older version. So we know that trigger dot old map dot get of acc.id, because we are in trigger.oldmap we have all the old version of the records. From that we are for this particular account id we are getting that record. Then for that we have to just get this field value. Okay, so if the account active is right now, it is no, and if it got updated, like either we have to check with older version. If it was yes, from that one it has to get it changed to no. Okay, this is the condition. So then if this particular condition matches, then we have to collect all these account IDs. So for that we have to define one of the set of ID ACC IDs equal to new set of ID. Okay, so in this set we have to add these IDs. So ACC dot ID. So this is a looping variable. Within this, each of those IDs only, I'm going to add it in one of the account IDs. Okay. So till this, like one first part is done. Okay. The very next thing is we need to iterate through all the account and apostrophe records. So to iterate that, we have to write one more for loop on account ACC. Then we need to write on one of the SOQL query. Okay. So to write the SOQL query, we can utilize it from here. Select ID from active from account. Okay. So this is the one of the query, and also we need to pass where ID in. So which IDs? So these are the account IDs we need to modify. For these only records we need to update. So select ID active from account where ID is in this account IDs. Okay. And also we need to collect our apostrophe records as well. To select to get that. So let us say that apostrophe. From this we are taking the opportunity stage name. Okay. To where is the stage name? It will be here. Okay, query. So this is the name I want to query. So that's why ID comma stage name from. So here we need to write the child relationship name. To get that, I'll go here. Account ID. So in apostrophe we have to open the account ID field. So this is the field. Here there will be like child relationship name. So that is opportunities. So I have to copy that and paste it here. So select ID stage name from apostrophes. So from using this, we can get the parent and child records from this particular query. So once we get all these records, we just need to check if ACC dot opportunities is not equal to null. So if it is coming null, we no need to do anything further. So that's why if we are first checking whether the apostrophes are present or not. For each of, let us say that there are 0 apostrophes for any particular account, we need not change anything. So we are just filtering out those and we are collecting where only apostrophes are existing for any of the account. Only that in that condition we are going within this loop. Then we have to run a for loop on opportunities. So opportunity OPP in. So which are the opportunity list? That is the ACC dot opportunity is the list we have to loop through. Then what is the condition they have given? Then check all the opportunities associated with the account. Update all opportunity stage to close lost if stage not equal to close one. So we should remove the closed one opportunities. So that one, that's why we are going to check if opportunity dot stage name is not equal to close one. So what is the API names for those on a property stage name? So closed one is the API name for this particular pick list. So I'm going to check if it is not equal to closed one. I'll collect all those opportunity IDs. So I need one more. I'll collect all those opportunities. I'll need a list of opportunity. OPP list is equal to new list of opportunity. Okay. So in this list, right now, like I'm checking if it is closed one or not. And also I need to filter out if it is already closed last. No, I no need to update it again. So that's why I'm going to write opportunity not stage name is not equal to close one, and also opportunity not stage name is not equal to close lost as well. If it is already closed lost, we need, no need to update. That's why I'm going to write the same thing. If those be both of these conditions are matching, then I will just add that record to this particular opportunity list. Okay. So we got all the opportunities, but before that we need to modify, update the field name. So for stage name. So for that, I'm going to write opportunity or stage name is going to be, I need to equate with the closed lost value. So I'm changing, I'm filtering out only the records which are not closed one and closed lost, and then for them I'm storing it as closed lost. Then that particular record is added to opportunity list. Okay. So we need to check what is the for loops end curly brace. So this is the one. Then our last step is just that you have to just take this particular list. Yeah, whether it is empty or not, we need to check. If it is not empty, then we are going to, since this is a already existing opportunity, we just need to update the opportunity list. Okay, so our trigger is almost ready. Let us say check if there are any problems here. Okay, we are getting some errors. So we'll check what are the errors. Invalid type opportunity. Uh, okay, here the series spelling mistake. Okay, opportunities. Okay, so all the problems are solved now. Now if we go on UI account, so we had one of this account. I'll just create one new account here. 79. So there is test account 79. So I'm going to create a new account here. Then I'm going to create new opportunity. Opposite test 67. Okay, I'm giving value proposition for this. Let us say let it be value proposition for this. Okay, and also one more opportunity I'm going to create. And in this, I'm going to give the value as already close one. Okay, I should not be close one opportunity should not get updated. That is condition. So now if we go, and right now it is, let us say that first it will be active, it is yes. Okay, then I'm going to update it as no. So when this one gets updated to no, if we go and check this particular opportunities, okay, so this was having a different value in earlier. So right now the stage name got updated to close lost. And how about the other one? So this, since this was already closed one, so this need not be updated. So we are keeping it is as it was closed one. Okay. So this is the working of this particular trigger. Yeah, it was little bit challenging, but with practice we can write them easily. So I think you guys have understood that. Let me re-explain this. First, we are getting all the account. We are iterating to the trigger.new of the account records. And if we are checking whether the value got updated from yes to no, we are selecting all those account IDs. We are going to store it in a set. So then again, we are running a for loop. In this one, we are fetching this particular SOQL query. We are getting all the records of the account as well as the associated opportunities. If the opportunities are present for any account, for those only we are just checking whether the if it is not matching with closed one or closed lost. If it is not matching, then that particular stage name I'm going to update with the closed lost. So that one I'm adding it to one of the list so that like we are doing the bulkification. Finally, this particular list I'm going to update through this particular DML statement. So this is the explanation of this particular trigger scenario. Okay. So you guys can practice this on your laptop and let me know Any feedback if you want to give, and please share with your friends if you like. Okay, and click on the like button. Thank you so much.